Okay, good morning, everyone. Morning to those who are viewing in this live streaming of this YouTube channel. Good morning to each and every one of you. Today, March 19, we will be having the opening of 4 projects. To check the quorum of the back. The back chair is present. Engineer Edwin A. Valenzuela, Engineer Mr. T. Rojas, Engineer Lloyd A. Tonyo, Engineer Gabriel F. Samonte, Engineer Hilary May Stone, Engineer Lovely P. Bautista, Ma'am Maria Lea Sarmiento, Ma'am Itzel Obalde, and we have 2 representatives from the contractor side. Lovely A. Cristo, representing FDS Construction Supply, and Santiago Marquente, representing Arjun Construction Development Incorporated. So we have no representative from the COA. So, the back composes 4 out of 5. I now declare this opening of bids call to order at 10:21. Let's open the back. Catanduanes District Engineering Office announces the opening of bids for the 4 projects. Contract ID number 24880036. Basic Infrastructure Program, Access Road and or bridges from national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of roads, Barangays, Batolinao-Salvacion, Baras, Catanduanes. Number 2, Contract ID number 24880037, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Building, Barangay Catagbacan, San Andres, Catanduanes. Project number 3, Contract ID number 24880038, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Facility, Barangay Genitligan, Baras, Catanduanes, and Contract ID number 23880107, Land Mitigation Structure, Protecting Public Infrastructure Facilities, Construction of Tilod, River Control, Phase 2, Barangay Tilod, Baras, Catanduanes. And this is the big folder according to project title. Okay, first project. 24880036. Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Access Road or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road, Barangays, Batolinao-Salvacion, Baras, Catanduanes. The contract location is in Baras, Catanduanes. The scope of work, construction of 50 linear meter by 23 meter thick PCCP with 6.1 meter width and 25 linear meter slope protection. Approved budget for the contract is 4,948,760. Contract duration is 54 calendar days. License category, CMD. License classification is small B and the cost of bidding documents is amounting to 5,000. Okay, for this project, we have two bidders, Aljun Construction Development Incorporated and NQA Construction and Supply. Okay, you can now open the envelope of Aljun Construction Development Incorporated.
Aljun Construction Development Incorporated. Envelope, duly signed, property seal. Technical documents.
Aljun Construction Development Incorporated. Deed securing declaration duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus. Field Platinum.
Okay, next bidder, please.
Next bidder, NQA Construction and Supply. Envelope, duly signed, property seal. Technical documents.
NQA Construction and Supply. Field Platinum Real Estate. Deed securing declaration duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus.
Okay, meanwhile, we are waiting for the result of the eligibility. You can now proceed to the opening of technical envelope for the next project. Next project. Twenty-four 880037, Basic Infrastructure Program, VIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Building, Barangay, Catagbacan, San Andres, Catanduanes. Contract location is Barangay, Catagbacan, San Andres, Catanduanes. The scope of work is construction of single-story multipurpose building, including perimeter, gate, and fence. The approved budget for the contract is 4,898,760. Contract duration is 108 calendar days. License category, CEB. License classification, small b. And the cost of bidding documents is amounting to 5,000. For this project, we have 5 bidders. NBR Construction, Guamor Construction, Altic Construction Services, Jupa Construction, and FDS Construction and Supply. Okay, let's now open the technical envelope for the 5 leaders.
First bidder, NVR Construction. Envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
NVR Construction. Bid securing declaration duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus. Philjeps Platinum Registration. Key person.
Okay, next bidder, Guamo Construction.
Walmart Construction. Envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
Guamor Construction. Philjeps Platinum Registration. Bid securing declaration duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory. Omnibus.
Okay, next bidder, Altic Construction Services.
Outland Construction Services. Envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
Alted Construction Services. Bid securing declaration duly notarized. Philjeps Platinum Registration. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus.
Okay, next bidder is Jopa Construction.
Jupa Construction, envelope duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
Jupa Construction. Bid securing declaration, duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key person. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory. Omnibus.
Okay, last bidder, FDS Construction and Supply.
FDS Construction and Supply, envelope duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
FDS Construction and Supply. Certificate of Field Registration. Bid securing declaration, duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of key personnel. List of equipment. Omnibus.
Okay, we can now proceed to the next project. Contract ID number 24880038, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Facility, Barangay Genitligan, Baras, Catanduanes. The contract location is Barangay Genitligan, Baras, Catanduanes. The scope of work, completion of 8 by 24.8 multipurpose building, inclusion of construction of space. Approved budget for the contract is 4,898,760. Contract duration is 108 calendar days. License category C in D. License classification is small d. The cost of bidding documents is amounting to 5,000. For this contract, we have 3 bidders. NBR Construction, Buamor Construction, and Albion Construction Development Incorporated. Okay, we now open the technical envelope for the three bidders.
First bidder, NBR Construction, envelope duly signed properties. Technical documents.
NBR Construction, bid securing declaration, within our organizational chart. List of key persons. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory. Omnibus, Philjet.
Okay, next bidder, Buamor Construction,
Buamor Construction, envelope duly signed properties. Technical documents.
Buamor Construction. Philjet registration. Bid securing declaration, within our organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory. Omnibus.
okay, last bidder, Albion Construction Development Incorporated.
Albion Construction Development Incorporated, envelope duly signed properties. Technical documents.
Albion Construction Development Incorporated. Bid securing declaration, within our organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus. Philjet.
The next project, (23FH0107), flood mitigation structure protecting public infrastructures, facilities, construction of Tilod river control, phase 2, Barangay Tilod, Baras, Catanduanes. The contract location is Baras, Catanduanes. the scope of work, construction of 144 linear meter river control with steel sheet pipes. The approved budget for the contract is 24,123,960 pesos. Contract duration is 183 calendar days. License category C and D. License classification is small B. And the cost of bidding documents is amounting to 25,000. Okay, for this contract, we have 4 bidders. Nasmin Construction, Arjun Construction Development Incorporated, Trijan Trading in Construction, and Jupa Construction. Okay, let's now proceed to the opening of technical envelope for the 4 bidders. The first bidder, Nasmin Construction.
Asmin Construction, envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
Asmin Construction. Field Jets Registration. Bid Securing Declaration, duly notarized. Organizational chart. Key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus.
The next bidder, Arjun Construction Development Incorporated.
Aljoy Construction Development Incorporated, envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Technical documents.
Aljoy Construction Development Incorporated. Bid Securing Declaration, duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors, key personnel. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment. Omnibus.
Okay, next bidder, Trijan Trading in Construction.
Trijan Trading and Construction, envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. Upon opening of the envelope, the label original copy is technical and financial component, and the other is original financial component. The first envelope is labeled as 24 post.
Contract ID number 2458-0107. Contents, original copy, technical and financial component. Nasa example, hindi lang naman. Yung copy niya. Walang copy one. Original and financial component. Ayun copy.
Wrong contract ID. 24.
2488 instead of 2388-0107. So, we cannot open this envelope because of the representative from Brgy. Yung isa 23. We consider that one.
Balik.
Any representative from Brgy, last call. Is good. So, Brgy trading and construction paid due to misrepresentation of envelope. 23, submitted envelope is 2488-0107 instead of 2388-0107. Okay, last bidder. Jupa Construction.
Jupa Construction, envelope, duly signed, properly sealed. technical documents.
Jupa Construction. Its securing declaration duly notarized. Organizational chart. List of contractors' key persons. List of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment. List of contractors' minimum materials testing equipment. Only.
Okay, let us now proceed with the opening of the financial envelope for the first project. First project 24F80036. Here is the result of the eligibility processing from the Civil Works Registry. For Aljon Construction Development Incorporated, legal aspect, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. ZEC valid until August 13, 2069. VIR tax clearance certificate valid until November 17, 2024. Field Jets registration valid until May 13, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Aljon Construction Development Incorporated, 100% participation in Class B, pickup license valid until April 23, 2026, pickup registration valid until March 21, 2025, work experience, passed, NFCC, passed. For NQA Construction and Supply, legal aspect, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024, DTI valid until March 25, 2026, VAR tax clearance certificate valid until November 17, 2024, Field Jets registration valid until September 7, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, NQA Construction and Supply, 100% participation in Class B, pickup license valid until June 30, 2023. License in the DPWH registry is not valid. I-verify ko kasi pickup license submit ko ito sa yesterday sa
Expiration date is December 20, 2026.
Pickup registration valid until January 27, 2024. Pickup registration particulars is not valid. Nagsubmit ko rin ng CRC.
Registration particulars. Expiration date is January 27, 2027.
Work experience, past, NFCC, paid. No 2022 financial statement.
sir. Okay, sir. This, anong resolution?
No 2022 financial statement.
Yes, sir.
So there is attached 2022 financial statement. So in QA, pass the Let us now proceed with the opening of financial envelope for the two bidders, starting from Aljon Construction and Development Incorporated.
Financial documents of Aljon Construction Development Incorporated.
Aljon Construction Development Incorporated. Bid 4. Bid of quantity. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,4,797,524.62 4,797,524.62. No offer. No discount.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Next bidder,
No, for this.
in QA Construction and Supply,
Financial documents of NQA Construction and Supply.
NQA Construction and Supply. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,869,480 pesos and 61 centavos. 4,869,480.61. No discount offer.
any questions, clarification on the bid as read for these two bidders? So for this project 24880036, Aljon Construction Development Incorporated got the lowest bid as read with a bid amount of 4,797,524 pesos and 62 cents. That will be subjected for further bid evaluation and post qualification of the contract. Let's now proceed for the next project. Next project. (24880037) Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Building, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Building, Barangay Catagbacan, San Andres, Catanduanes. Here is the result of the eligibility processing from DWR. In BR Construction, for the legal aspect, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024, DTI valid until May 11, 2025, BIR tax clearance certificate valid until June 9, 2024, PhilJEP's registration valid until February 14, 2025. For the technical and financial aspect, in BR Construction, 100% participation on Class B, pickup license valid until April 25, 2025, pickup registration valid until July 16, 2024, work experience, past NFCC paid, no 2022 financial statement. next bidder is Guamor Construction. For the legal aspects, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DTI valid until November 3, 2025. BIR tax clearance certificate valid until July 17, 2024. Field Jets registration valid until July 26, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Guamor Construction, 100% participation on Class B. Pickup license valid until September 2, 2024. Pickup registration valid until September 2, 2024. Work experience passed, NFCC passed. For the next bidder, Altiv Construction Services. For the legal aspect, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2022. Altiv Construction, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2022.
Mayor's permit. Expiration date is December 31, 2024.
DTI valid until January 13, 2025. BIR tax clearance certificate valid until July 25, 2023.
Tax clearance. Expiration date is July 27, 2024.
Field Jets registration valid until July 27, 2023.
Registration. This certificate is valid until August 10, 2024.
For the technical and financial aspect, Altiv Construction Services, 100% participation on Class B. Pickup license valid until June 30, 2023. License in the DPWH registry is not valid.
Pickup license expiration date is April 16, 2025.
Pickup registration valid until April 16, 2024. Work experience past, NFCC paid. No 2022 financial statement. So for the next bidder, Jupa Construction. Legal aspect, Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DTI valid until March 25, 2025. BIR tax clearance certificate valid until April 4, 2024. Field Jets registration valid until September 15, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Jupa Construction, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until August 15, 2026. Pickup registration valid until June 27, 2024. Work experience passed, NFCC passed. For the last bidder, FDS Construction and Supply, legal aspect, Mayor's permit is valid until January 12, 2024.
Mayor's permit valid until January 15, 2025.
DTI valid until August 6, 2028. BAR tax clearance certificate valid until December 20, 2023.
Tax clearance expiration date is December 28, 2024.
Field Jets registration valid until February 1, 2024.
This certificate is valid until February. February 1, 2025.
For the technical and financial aspect, FBS construction and supply, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until May 28, 2026. Pickup registration valid until July 9, 2024. Work experience passed. NFCC passed.
Pass.
Okay, we now open the financial envelope. That's 5 years. Starting from India Construction. First bidder, India Construction.
Financial documents of NBR Construction.
NBR Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,849,172 pesos and 63 centavos. For 849,172.62. Discount offered, less 14% from bid amount. $41. Bid amount, less 14% from the bid amount.
The next bidder, Guamo Construction.
Pass.
Financial documents of Guamor Construction.
Guamor Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,810,195 pesos and 81 centavos. For 810,195.81. Discount offered, less 13% discount from the bid amount. Less 13% discount from the bid amount.
Next bidder, Alpine Construction Services.
Financial documents of Altem Construction Services.
Construction Services. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimate. Cash flow. Bid amount 4,895,760 pesos and 0 centavos for 895,760.00. Discount offered 10% from the total bid amount. Discount offered 10% from the total of the bid amount.
Okay, next bidder, Joe Construction.
Baras.
Financial documents of Jupa Construction.
Jupa Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimate. Cash flow. Bid amount 4,699,152 pesos and 72 centavos for 699,152.72. No discount offered.
Pass.
Okay, last bidder, FGS Construction and Supply.
Financial documents of FDS Construction and Supply.
FDS Construction and Supply. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed cost estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount 4,751,593 and 56 centavos for 751,593.56. Offer rate less 10.8% of the bid amount. Less 10.8% of the bid amount.
Okay, any questions, clarification on the bid as read for the 5 bidders?
Pass.
So for this project, DPWH 0037 in VR construction, not the lowest bid as read with a bid amount of 4,170,288 pesos and 46 cents from the original bid of 4,849,172 pesos and 63 cents, offering 14% discount from the bid amount. If there's no questions, let us proceed with the next project. (24880038) Basic Infrastructure Program, VIP Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose facility, Barangay Genitligan, Baras, Catanduanes. Contract location is Barangay Genitligan, Baras, Catanduanes. So here is the result of the eligibility processing from Civil Works Registry. For in VR construction, legal aspect, mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DTI valid until May 11, 2025. BAR tax clearance certificate valid until June 9, 2024. Field jets registration valid until February 14, 2025. For the technical and financial aspect, in VR construction, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until April 25, 2025. Pickup registration valid until July 16, 2024. Work experience, past NFCC paid. No 2022 financial statement. So for the next bidder, Guamor Construction, legal aspect, mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DPI valid until November 3, 2025. BIR tax clearance certificate valid until July 17, 2024. Field jet registration valid until July 26, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Guamor Construction, 100% participation on Class B. Pickup license valid until September 2, 2024. Pickup registration valid until September 2, 2024. Work experience, past NFCC, past. For the last bidder, Alton Construction Development Incorporated. For the legal aspect, mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. ZEC valid until August 13, 2069. BAR tax clearance certificate valid until November 17, 2024. Field jet registration valid until May 13, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Aljon Construction Development Incorporated, 100% participation on Class B. Pickup license valid until April 23, 2026. Pickup registration valid until March 21, 2025. Work experience, past, NFCC, past. So, we can now open the financial envelope of the three bidders, starting from Interior Construction.
Financial documents of NPR Construction.
NPR Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,847,000 240 pesos and 85 centavos. For 847,240.85. Offering less 14.5% from bid amount. Less 14.5% from bid amount.
The next bidder, Guamo Construction.
As
Financial documents of Guamor Construction.
Guamor Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount. 4,800,000 pesos only. For 800,000.00. Offering. Less 13% discount from bid amount. Less 13% discount from bid amount.
Okay, last bidder, Aljon Construction Development Incorporated.
as
Financial documents of Algen Construction Development Incorporated.
Aljon Construction Development Incorporated. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount 4,744,012 and 20 over 100 pesos only. For 744,012.20. No discount offered.
as
Okay, any questions? Clarification on the bid as read. So for this project, 24880038, in BR Construction got the lowest bid as read with a bid amount of 4,144,390 pesos and 93 cents. From the original bid of 4,847,240 pesos and 85 cents, offering 14.5 discount from the bid amount. Okay, we go to the last project. The last project, 23880107, flood mitigation structure protecting public infrastructure facilities. Construction of Tilod river control, phase 2, Barangay Tilod, Baras, Catanduanes. So, here is the result of the eligibility processing from Civil Works Ministry. For Jupa Construction, legal aspect. Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DTI valid until March 25, 2025. BAR tax clearance certificate valid until April 4, 2024. Field jet registration valid until September 15, 2024. Due for construction, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until August 15, 2026. Pickup registration valid until June 27, 2024. Work experience passed. NFCC passed. For Aljon Construction Development Incorporated, legal aspect, mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. ZEC valid until August 13, 2069. Where tax clearance certificate valid until November 17, 2024. Field jet registration valid until May 13, 2024. For the technical and financial aspect, Aljon Construction Development Incorporated, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until April 23, 2026. Pickup registration valid until March 21, 2025. Work experience passed. NFCC passed. For Trident, for Hasmin Construction, mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. DTI valid until March 7, 2028. BAR tax clearance certificate valid until February 14, 2025. Field jet registration valid until February 19, 2025. For the technical and financial aspect, Hasmin Construction, 100% participation in Class B. Pickup license valid until April 13, 2027. Pickup registration valid until June 29, 2024. Work experience paid. Work experience category does not match to the contract profile for major work category. NFCC passed. That's me to start. Okay. Due to work experience category, does not match to the contract profile for major work category. Pati bago po yung mission dyan sa Brgy trading. Trading and construction failed due to improper labeling of envelope. Okay, let's now proceed with the opening of financial envelope for the 3 bidders.
Ano envelope? Technical o financial?
Financial envelope of the 3 bidders.
Technical ba yun?
Mm.
Ano yung 23?
Okay, may correction pa po. Improper labeling of technical and
Technical na. Kasi financial, 24 million. Tapos specific na. So, regular na copy.
It has now proceeded in the opening of financial envelope. First bidder, Aljun Construction Development Incorporated.
Financial documents of Aljon Construction Development Incorporated.
Aljon Construction Development Incorporated. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount 23,520,856 and 14 centavos. 23,520,856.14. No discount offered.
Pass.
Last bidder, Yupa Construction.
Financial documents of Jupa Construction.
Jupa Construction. Bid 4. Bill of quantities. Detailed estimates. Cash flow. Bid amount 23,156,144 pesos and 85 centavos. 23,156,144.85. No discount offered.
Pass.
Any questions? Clarification on the bid as read? Okay, for this project, 23880107, Yupa Construction Capital received as read with a bid amount of 23,156,144 pesos and 85 cents. That will be subjected for further bid evaluation and post qualification of the contract. Kindly return the envelopes sa bid box o mga unopened envelopes. Okay, any questions? Suggestions and other information? So, there's none, the bid opening adjourns at 11:40.
Wait, hold.
Around 30,000.